Good day everyone, I am Joy Baje and I am going to answer a certain problem using a simplex linear programming. So we have here a sample illustration problem, which is 3 types of ice cream, chocolate, vanilla, and banana are provided by Juan and Felipe Incorporation to its ice cream shops. The company has run out of its supplies of components including milk, sugar, and cream because of the extremely hot weather and overwhelming demand for its goods. They will therefore be unable to complete all the orders placed with their late retail location, the ice cream shops. Given the limitations on the supply of the fundamental ingredients, the corporation has determined to make the quantity for each flavor that will optimize total profit. Per gallon sold, the profit from chocolate, vanilla, and banana flavors are 50 pesos, 40 pesos, and 45 pesos respectively. To make the chocolate flavored ice cream, at least 18 pounds of cocoa powder, 20 gallons of milk, 25 pounds of sugar, and 5 gallons of ice cream. For the perfect mixtures of vanilla ice cream, at least 3 gallons of extracted vanilla, 20 gallons of milk, 15 pounds of sugar, and 12 gallons of cream. Lastly, at least 10 pounds of ripe bananas, 15 gallons of milk, 20 pounds of sugar, and 9 gallons of cream to make the banana ice cream. Only 36 pounds of cocoa powder, 500 gallons of milk, 310 pounds of sugar, and 110 gallons of cream are still in stock with the company, inside the company. Find the best answer by using the algebraic formulation of this problem in linear programming provided. So now, based on the problem, we need to optimize the given data, which we are going to maximize the problem, and we have here the objective function. So the objective functions is to maximize z equals 50x sub 1 plus 40x sub 2 plus 45x sub 3. Now, if you're asking where did I get this 50, 40, and 45, the stands for the chocolate, vanilla, and banana. So, for the model constraints, constraint 1 is 20 sub 1 plus 20 sub 2 plus 15 sub 3 less than or equal to 500 gallons of milk. So, this is the given data that the company has to meet or going to find. For the constraint 2, 25x sub 1 plus 15x sub 2 plus 20x sub 3 less than or equal to 310 pounds of sugar. Then for the constraint 3, 5 sub 1 plus 12 sub 2 plus 9 sub 3 less than or equal to 110 gallons of cream. For the constraint 4, 18 sub 1 is less than 36 gallons of cocoa powder. So now, we're going to input the resources or the ingredients in order for us to get or use the solver afterwards. Now, we're going to find the usage or for the functions for the resources. So here, first, cocoa powder. Now, if in finding the answer, we need to input equal sum product, then highlight the cocoa powder times the quantity. Now, if you're wondering why we don't have number or data in quantity, it is because the given data don't have the quantity. So now, after highlighting all the needed data, we need to enter it. Then repeat the process. Highlight the milk, then times the quantity. Then you need to lock it in order to organize your data. Again, times quantity. Repeat the process from cocoa powder to banana. Now, and now as you can see, the usage or the functions have 0 answer. So 0. And after that, we're going to plot or input the profit or find the profit from the productions and coefficients. So 50 for the chocolate, vanilla is 40, and banana is 45. Now, in getting the profit, we need to use equal sum product again, then highlight chocolate, vanilla, and banana times the quantity. Now, 0 again. So, we're going to use solver in order to get the profit, the usage, or the functions of the resources. And so, let the solver solve it for us. Okay, now we need to set the objectives. So, the objective here is to find the profit. So we need to highlight the profit and make sure it is set to max, and by changing the variable sales we need to highlight the quantity because we have 0 quantity, and add the constraints, subject to constraints. Now for the constraints, we will going to drag down the usage from cocoa powder to banana for the cell reference, and for the constraints, available banana says from cocoa powder to banana. Then click OK. Now you need to use simplex linear programming because we are using simplex programming in solving or getting the algebraic formulation. Then click OK. Now as you can see, the profit changes from 0 to 100. Then the quantity from 0 to have the quantity to 0, 0. So now if you're going to input another number, you can input some, or it's up to you. Okay, now that's after using the solver, we came up with the production or the quantity equal to 2. And the maximization of profit itself is, we came up with the answer 100 pesos. And that's all for using the graphical simplex linear programming using the Excel form. That's all. Thank you for watching.